Hello guys, this is Adil. In this video, I'll talk about why social media marketing is so important. If you'd like to run your business properly, definitely you need a dedicated social media manager. Now I will talk about top 5 reasons why you need an expert digital marketer. First one is going to be trends. A social media manager can not only maintain the track of algorithm, but also new trends on the platform, modify the strategy, content to reflect the most recent developments also can be managed by the social media manager. Anyway, a social media manager also can take out what's occurring or about to happen in the world and be flexible enough to go back to the drawing board with their clients and modify campaigns content to ensure their goals are met. A social media manager also ensure and utilize the customer feedback as well. Second was is going to be social media strategy. A service to your brand will be done by an employee or posted and then into your social media pages with no plan. But a social media expert will think about the strategy, and by the following strategy, a social media manager provides better leads, engagements, and better results. Yes, next one is coming up is reputation and help your customer. Social media manager are constantly on high alert to each message, review and comment happening within social media regarding a brand. Every message, review and remark about a brand that appears on social media is monitored by a social media manager. They not only have the proper for procedure in place, but also they have know how to conduct themselves while representing the business on the platform. Next one is reporting and tracking. A social media manager will check their campaigns regularly, turning underperforming ads off and optimizing their campaigns to make sure your money is being well spent and your goals are being met. Thanks for watching my video. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.